Hello. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to install DeepSeek R1 for your computer. So local installation, so you don't have to be connected to the internet or have your browser open, all that stuff. First, so we're going to go to the search bar on your browser and type in Olama. That's going to take us here. Then we're going to install Olama. So press on download and select your platform, and you're going to download. Then, after you've done that, you are going to go into models, and then we're going to choose DeepSeek R1. So there are multiple versions available, so all ranging from 1.1 gigabyte all the way to 4.4. So the bigger the storage, the smarter the model. So we're gonna go for the smallest one for this demonstration. So we're gonna copy this because we're gonna need it later, and then we're gonna open the Olama thing you've just installed. Once you've opened the Olama setup, you're just gonna press install, and then it's going to be installing it for you. So once you've installed Olama, you're gonna search PowerShell. This is gonna look scary at first because it looks like a command prompt, but it's actually where we paste the code we just copied from here. So if we just press Ctrl V to paste it, it's gonna start installing our R1 model. So once it's done installing, it's going to say success, and that's pretty much it. That's all the installation process. After that, it's about how you're gonna use it. So right away, it's gonna open itself, and we can say hello to it. There we go. This gives you the response. Now, when you want to open it again, all you have to do is just close PowerShell, open PowerShell, and every time you want to use the AI, you just run the command, and there we go. It just opens. Hello. So thank you for watching. That's how you download DeepSeek R1 for your local PC, and I appreciate for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share this video, and make sure to have a great day. So see you in the next one.